Open Google Play Store. Here we need to type video recovery. We need to click on first option, delete video recovery. Now we need to install this application. After installing this application, we need to click on open. Now we need to click on cross sign of left top corner. Click on restore button. There is ad going on. Click on cross to remove these ads. Now application is asking for permission. Click on allow. Now system has recovered 585 files. If you want to show all the files, click on show deleted files. If you want to restore files, you just need to click on restore deleted files. So I'm just going to click on show deleted files. So we are getting several options. We can see several deleted files. So in first option we have 7 video files, 12 files and 247 files, 247 files. Like in the same way we have several files. If I want to store any file, just need to click on the option. You need to select if you want to. We just need to click on checkbox. After selecting the checkbox, that means we after selecting the number of files, we need to click on restore. Go back. If you want to view restored files, click on view restored files. So these are the files have been restored. So you can see we have restored these files. If you want to restore any other file, you just need to click like this way. There are 2 files. I'm just going to click on this first one and click on restore file. This file has also restored. Go back and click on view restored videos. You just need to follow all these steps to recover video files. Thank you.